Hey guys, if you want to know which character are seriously OP in Jumpstar on Roblox, let's go over the 2025 tier list to help you build the best team. So first up, here's the S tier, the character you absolutely need if you want to dominate in both 3 versus 3 and 5 versus 5 modes. So Mob, the Ultra Star, incredible crowd control and a massive AoE with Geokinesis and Psychic Outrage, consistently one of the strongest units. So Gohu, the Mythic, a burst-heavy character that uses a black hole ability to pull enemies together, dealing massive damage. Dracula, the Legendary, life-steal, the range damage, and strong in sustained fights with the Great Escape tools. So for the great alternatives, sa 8 tier picks, these characters are still top tier and work amazingly well when paired with S-tier unit. So Suzuki, Mythic, high-speed katana fighter with teleport and Chidori combo perfect for burst play. Zoro, Mythic, powerful sword user who layered attacks and in a tornado, great for range bursts and combos. Ichin, legendary, fast melee slasher with wide area burst damage, solid in team fights. Joltero, epic, a strong tank melee hybrid with a crowd control leap super that disrupt enemy groups. So for the mid-tier option, B-tier, decent if used strategically or as early game unit but not as dominant in high-level play. Guts Itadori Lobo with situational use and setup. So lower rank C or D tier, better suited for beginners or casual play. Units like Orihime, Naruto, Tanjiro, Vegeta, or Goku are less competitive in ranked matches. So best team suggestion, meta picks, your ideal team composition for the stronger edge in matches, Mob plus Goku plus Dracula, Supreme Synergy with crowd control, sustain, and burst damage. Or mix in 8 tier picks like Suzuki, Ichin, Zoro, or Joltiro depending on map type and team play style. So for the final thoughts, for 2025 gameplay, Mob, Goju, and Dracula are the meta-defining character you should aim for. A-tier picks like Suzuki, Zoro, Ichin, and Jotaro bring strong alternatives and team flexibility. B, C, and D tier characters are usable early on but plan to switch up once you unlock the better picks. And that's it.